Let's go do some lamps. Come on.
This was so cute 14 years ago, but Old World is definitely out for now. So let's see if we could do something cute to update this lamp. So my house has a lot of gold in it, so right now I'm taking everything that's gold and pretty much spraying it or painting it or just dressing it white. The magic bag trick! This has been my favorite thing to use over all the years I have been painting. People have no idea how I make some of the really cool distressing marks that I do. This is it! And it's so easy. And I also use this technique to do faux leather on walls and furniture. So let me know if you'd like to see a video on that. Just leave me a message in the link below. Yeah. Now for the little splatters. You don't have to do the splattering, but I find that it looks really cool afterwards because it just sort of camouflages the underneath texture, and then it's really hard to tell what you did and how you got there. So it's really tricky. You kind of have to really hold that tip at angles and just push barely on the tip until it starts spitting out, and then voila. Now the lamp base is done, it's time for the shade. Yay!
So here's our lampshade. It used to be gold. We cut off the feathers. That was really hard because I really did like the feathers at one time. That was my thing, feathers. Okay, it looks like we need about probably 3 inches to cover the base. Okay, so let's go up to my craft room and see if we can find some trim for this lamp. Sorry, it's a mess, but I wasn't expecting anyone up here. It is a craft room. And here's a little tip. Anytime you have a chance to get any old broken jewelry or trims, grab them. It will save you money and time from going to the craft store.
You want to work too? This is my other cat, Bella. Hi.
I'm going to be gluing pearls on this. So I was going to do a little painting on it, but then I decided not to. I decided just to do something really simple. So let's see, before I cut it up, I like to see, do I like it with lace? Nope, it camouflages a little bit. That might be a nice base, but I still need something else. You know, I could just cut a few inches off and have this hanging down. And the circles that are in it, I think I'm gonna cut those out and glue those on here with some pearls. That might be super pretty. So this is part of what makes crafting so fun, is you can play around with it. Oh yeah, you know what? That might be cute, right? First, I'm gonna put on the trim, and then we'll see the little belt embellishments, what we wanna do with them. So it's always good to keep bags of old broken jewelry and things that you're just not using anymore for projects just like this. Let's go through the magic bag and see what we have in here.
Okay, I've got my glue gun going, and I've got all my little pieces of jewels sitting out.
But anyway, now it's time to play. I have no idea what this is gonna look like. I'm going to glue it on backwards so that when I flip it over, there will be no raw edges. This first part, I'm gonna tuck it backwards this direction, just a little bit. So now I'm gonna pull this back just a little bit. And if your glue ever dries before you put it down, you can always just take the tip and run over it again, and it will re-wet your glue. This is the seam where these two pieces of fabric come together. So now we're gonna start it here. I'm just gonna put a dot, boom, right there, to tack down my first little piece. So what if we just did one circle? I cut out 6. I'm feeling like 1. I'm gonna just put this one on. I'm gonna bling it out and then we'll see. One, if we make it super special and like really cool. So I have some of my mom's old jewelry and I got these pearls out. I wasn't sure if these would be really special or not. Ooh. That's kind of cool. Okay, so just for you all to see the different possibilities, we could put pearls across the bottom. Doop, 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 doop. Old jewelry is always super fun. Like here's this really neat square thing that I really love. I don't know, how are we feeling about this trim now? What if I put it at the top? That is actually kind of fun. Ooh, hello. I am a very pretty lamp. I really love lamps to be something that just scream, hello, I'm here. Since light shines out of them, I just feel like they need to be really super special. Then I have this. We could just put that on top of this. So with enough glue, you could do anything. That's really pretty, right? Oh, I'm liking that. Okay, we might have to do that. I think this is it. It looks like the lamp has a necklace on. Ow. Ow. I'm gonna be brave. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wrap this over the edge, which I think is gonna give like a nice edge to it. I know you've all met my cat, but since I'm so obsessed with him. What? Oh, you're not gonna jump up here. No, you're not gonna jump up. Yes, you are gonna jump up here. Well, I guess you were gonna meet him anyway. What are you doing in my craft area? Okay, so this is finished. I think it's beautiful. Let's put it on the lamp and see what it looks like. I am going to put this right here. And I'm going to make like a little drape here. I just feel like it needed to kind of, it seemed a little solitary. So I feel like I'm gonna like this. The tiniest little bit of glue. What do you think?
I know I did not do a pearl lampshade and I said I was going to. I promise I will do one. One more lampshade video. And thank you guys so much for being part of my Redesign My House on a Dime. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future videos. And if there's any tutorials that you would like to see, make sure you leave a comment below and we'll see you next time. Thank you, my friends.